All right, gang, we're going to take a quick look at this DeWalt Jobsite radio slash Worksite radio slash charger. DC011 is the model number, as you can see right there. It's in nice condition. It's got this sturdy cage around it. The antenna's right here. It's on it. It's a radio only. It doesn't have a CD player in it. Here's the radio interface. Got two big speakers. It sounds good. Just turn on here and tune in a station. Let's see. Give a better station. So that works fine. It's also got programmable buttons here. It's got a clock you can set. There's a battery that has to go in for that to work. You can see, like, there's no like cosmetic condition issues or anything. It's got this CD case on the side. Not sure why, because it doesn't have a CD player. You could take this off with just the Velcro there. But yeah, nice little radio, or big radio I should say. Now here's the cord. This unwraps. I charged the battery to make sure it worked. It does. How good is the battery? I don't know. I've played it maybe a half hour or something like that off of this battery. This battery is a little older, but it did take a charge. I mean, it said it was fully charged. This is DeWalt 18 volt XRP battery here. So if it plugs in there, if you have the cord plugged in, you can hear now it's playing again. It runs off of that battery, all right? But if you have your cord plugged in, your power cord plugged in, then it turns, a little difficult to do this one-handed, there we go. Then it will turn this into a charger as well. You can play the radio and charge a battery in that compartment right there. So pretty nice, and it works just fine. Just want to do a quick demo, show y'all what you're getting.